guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video I am here at the Agonda Beach, and I will be giving you a complete tour of the beach, like what is happening, what does it look like, and whether or not are the beachside accommodations open for tourists, and whether or not is swimming allowed, are they shacks. So all of this I will be covering in today's video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do hit on that notification icon to get notified as and when I release new videos. So let's start and I'll show you around. From when? Okay. So this is at the entrance you would have these the beachside huts. I think it's called drop down, is what the guys said. And it is not ready for tourists, so they're not accepting any accommodations. As you can see, it's being currently done up. So this is right at the beach, and the next here is Agonda Villa. So I think they're open. This looks really nice. Yeah, so they're open. You can see some tourists. Okay, and this place here has some nice beach beds, and as you can see, there are some people here as well. So this is really cool. I mean, this is exactly on the beach this side. It's a nice place, no? It's pretty cool. Snoopy! Hi, Snoopy! Say hi! Okay, so it is around 1 in the afternoon and it is really sunny. Okay, let me just see if I can show you what it's like from here. This is so cool. Okay, so these are really nice, cute villa huts, and they seem to have a private jacuzzi as well. Wow. This is so nice. I'll probably try and make a video and cover this place too if I get the time. So let's move ahead and see what's happening. So as you can see, the beaches, there's not many people because of course it is the afternoon, but also there is no water sports or any such of water activities that is available at this point in time here on this beach. And as you can see, the tides are really rough here as well. So for all of your water sports activities, those who are interested in that, now I would suggest that you head up north because you have more things happening that side. And south, of course, is for a nice quiet vacation if you're just looking at. So these are your beachfront shacks, and as you can see, they're all covered up with plastic wraps, and it's not open, so they're not open for booking. And on the other side there's another nice accommodation. Let me see if I can show you that as well. For all those of you who keep asking me about the current weather situation, well, so the monsoon is almost coming to an end, and we do have some light showers every now and then in the north, but we've been here for the last 4 days in the south and the weather is pretty clear. We've not seen any rains or anything as such. This beach is so beautiful. The skies are blue, and then you have some blue water as well. The sand is so hot, you guys. I can't explain how hot it is. But, you know, this is a part of vlogging, so wow. This is so beautiful. So you have some beachside accommodation here as well. Let's ask the lifeguard. Swimming allowed, eh? Swimming? उस टाइम Okay. Watersports अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ ना? हाँ? 12 दिन के बाद. Okay. Thank you. So as you can see, he said that, you know, the water sports should be open in another 15 days from now, which is almost towards the end of October. So if you're planning to come down this side, then if you're here for the water sports, plan to come down sometime in the month of, first week of November, when everything is almost open. Wow, this is so gorgeous. On this beach is so, these are mostly like shells. So beautiful. This side of the beach is so clean, but the other side, there's a lot of, plastic bottles and things like that. But this side is so beautiful. Wow. And things are actually kind of getting back to normal. And it's nice to see Goa this way, where you have tourists coming back and things opening up. So that was the update from Agonda. As you can see, I'm totally sweaty and it's super duper hot. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also leave your comments below with any of your questions that you may have, and I would be happy to answer them for you. And also do suggest me as to what are the things that you'd like to see and what are the things that I should be covering while I'm here in South Goa. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, show me some love, help my channel grow, and until we meet again the next time, bye for now.